Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video I'm going to write step by step how to find the equivalent polynomial of the trinomial square displayed on the screen for x equals negative a to the third power, y equals a to the second power, and z equals negative a to the first power. To solve this exercise, first I'm going to write the trinomial as 2x minus 4y minus 8z in parentheses squared. Next, I need to apply the formula for trinomial square to expand this trinomial. In order for me to use the formula, I need to write the trinomial as, in square parentheses, 2x plus negative 4y plus, in parentheses, negative 8z, closing square parentheses, squared. This way, 2x corresponds to the a in the formula, negative 4y corresponds to the b in the formula, and negative 8z corresponds to the c in the formula. And when I apply the formula, this equals to 2x in parentheses squared plus negative 4y in parentheses squared plus negative 8z in parentheses squared plus 2 times 2x multiplied by negative 4y plus 2 times 2x multiplied by negative 8z plus 2 times negative 4y multiplied by negative 8z. And when I simplify further, this equals to 4x squared plus 16y squared plus 64z squared minus 16xy minus 32xz plus 64yz. As a next step, I need to substitute x with negative a cubed, y with a squared, and z with negative a. When I do that, this equals to 4 negative a cubed in parentheses squared plus 16 a squared to the power of 2 plus 64 negative a to the power of 2 minus 16 negative a cubed multiplied by a squared minus 32 negative a cubed multiplied by negative a plus 64 a squared multiplied by negative a. When I simplify further, I get 4a to the power of 6 plus 16a to the power of 4 plus 64a squared plus 16a to the power of 5 minus 32a to the power of 4 minus 64a to the power of 3. Next, I need to add all like terms that have the same literal parts. Such terms are 16a to the 4th power and minus 32a to the 4th power. When I do that and then write the polynomial in a standard form, I get 4a to the 6th power plus 16a to the 5th power minus 16a to the 4th power minus 64a cubed plus 64a squared. I can't simplify this polynomial any further, therefore, this is the final answer for this exercise. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.